So this is the pixie dust attack, which actually gives you the WPS pin of that particular router within seconds. How does it work? Why does it work? I'm gonna be explaining everything. Plus, how can you make your router secure? I'm gonna be explaining that as well. Why the WPS vulnerability still exists in 2023? Well, a lot of routers from TP-Link, even some tender routers come with WPS enabled by default. So your ISP comes for the internet connection, he or she just enters the default configuration like the VLAN ID, username and password and gives you the Wi-Fi access. But he forgets to turn off the WPS setting, which is sitting there in the firmware settings in the router gateway settings. So now what a hacker can do, he or she can run an exploit which is WPS pixie dust attack, and he or she can actually obtain the specific 8-digit WPS pin which is printed on the router itself. Well, this pin provides you the complete access to the router itself. By knowing this pin, an malicious attacker can actually know the exact password user has actually put in their Wi-Fi router. So now as you can see, as I know the WPS pin of this particular router, which I had the permission to test the vulnerabilities, I got the access of the password in seconds, and this is how this vulnerability works. How to fix this? Just turn off the WPS option from the router settings. It will be good to go.